a lot of videos out there on producer tools to help you get better. This is a video on tools that have nothing to do with production, but that will help your production. We test all these tools with our students and they get fantastic results. If you don't know, I'm Justin. I run Cosmic Academy. We're an artist development school and we've been around now for over 10 years. We've worked with over 800 incredible DJs, producers, and artists, and they get incredible results. They sign to the biggest labels like Toolroom, Defected, Armada, Anjuna, Monstercat. They play at the biggest shows. They play Tomorrowland, EDC, Ultra, and they use a lot of these non-producer tools to help them on their careers. So let's dive right in. Non-producer tool number 1, kitchen timer. What are we cooking, Justin? We're cooking music. Damn, that was a little cheesy, wasn't it? See what I did there? But seriously, a kitchen timer is going to help your music production. Here's how. Do you ever open up your project to finish and you're gonna get it done in a certain amount of time and then you didn't because you spent all that time going through your kick drums? Then you never finish and you're upset. Well, don't be sad. Use a kitchen timer. Set it to about 10 or 15 minutes. Make a list of all the things you want to get done in that session. If you end up getting sidetracked and say you spend too much time searching for a clap, well, at some point, that alarm's going to go off. And that's going to allow you to get back on schedule because instead of wasting 2 hours or a full session, maybe you only lost the 10 or 15 minutes of the timer. Here's non-producer tool number 2, a comfortable chair. Yes, you should spend money on a comfortable chair over some fancy producer equipment. I'll tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I was going to buy Zach a gift. You know Zach? He's the other guy on the channel, the one that looks like Vin Diesel. Well, I was going to buy him a gift. I said, hey man, I want to get you a gift to help you with your production. So do you want a synth or a cool piece of gear? And he literally responded, get me a chair. And I said, well, I've never heard of that kind of synth. Chair synths. But no, he was serious. And it actually makes sense when you think about it. You spend hours at this desk. If you're extremely uncomfortable, you're not going to like doing the work, and it will eventually affect your music production. However, if your workspace, your chair, everything feels great, then the rest of the process is going to be good. When people complain oh, I've been sitting too long, my back hurts, that's a major problem. This should not be causing you physical pain. Music production should only be causing you emotional pain. We know that. So get yourself a good chair before you spend all that money on synths or production gear that you might not need. Non-producer tool number 3, a notebook. Not your phone, not your computer's notebook, a real pen with paper. Write down your ideas, write down your goals, write down what you have to get done in your session. This is a highly studied action. When you write things down, you're 40% more likely to do them. That's a lot. 40% higher chance if you write it down. Let me go write down, find a girlfriend, find a girlfriend, find a girlfriend. So get a notebook. This is an easy one. At the beginning of our classes, we have all of our students get a notebook. They write down all their goals. They write down all the things they want to accomplish. And a lot of times they do. By the way, if you're interested in becoming one of our students, we're always looking for eager applicants. I'll leave a link below for you to apply to our program. Non-producer tool number 4, meditation. I think I just heard you roll your eyes through the camera, but please let me explain before you skip this one. There's different types of meditation, and there's one specifically for creativity. I do this one called TM. The Beatles famously used TM, and it helped them make some of the best records of all time. TM has also specifically been studied for creatives. There's all sorts of meditation that do this. It helps us with our anxiety or stress within our job. There's actually a huge study on Stanford on this. There's also a big study on Cornell detailing that doing certain types of meditation will help the creative process. So yes, doing 10 to 20 minutes every single day sounds like a lot, but it's not. You're going to waste that time anyway, scrolling on your phone, scrolling on social media. You might as well use it on something that's going to help you clear your brain and help your creativity. Non-producer tool number 5, hard drive. Okay, maybe this is something you already have, you already use it, but you need to use it more religiously all the time. The second you finish this video, pause it and go save all your stuff. I have multiple hard drives, multiple backups. The last thing you want to be is one of those artists who says, I made the best song of my entire life, but I lost the project. So go get yourself an extra hard drive or extra couple of USB sticks, back up your stuff. The next non-producer tool, wear earplugs. I have a few different types that I like, but I absolutely love the ones from this company called Max. It's M-A-C-K-S. You can get professional ones that are custom molded to your ears, but the ones that I get, you can just mold yourself, and they're literally just a few dollars. Our ears are the most important thing when we're making music. But as fans of music, we also like to go to a lot of shows, and you're damaging your ears every time you do that. Get some earplugs. You must protect your ears. You want to be able to make music forever. Now, imagine that 60-year-old version of you. I'll talk to my 60-year-old version of myself, and he'll talk back to me. My 60-year-old version of me is like, Justin, what the fuck did you do? I can't hear shit anymore. And now we can't make music. Why didn't you wear earplugs? So don't get attacked by your 60-year-old self. Do them a favor, go get some earplugs. Non-producer tool number 7, voice recorder. You can use the one on your phone, but you can also get one on Amazon for a few dollars. And this comes in handy in so many situations. You might think of a melody when you're driving around, you want to remember it now. Voice recorder. Maybe you're out and about and you hear a melody playing at the supermarket, like you're in the yogurt section and like you hear this fire beat. Like, wow, I'm in Publix supermarket and they really have amazing music and great yogurt. Take out that voice recorder and go eat your yogurt. Non-producer tool number 8, hitting that subscribe button. It's not really a tool, it's more of a button, but your support, it means a lot to us. It also allows us to do more of these videos. We really appreciate it. I'm also going to put up another video right here next. It's about more important things that you can do to get further in your career. I want you to go watch that one now, and I'll see you in there.